Hi, in this video I'm looking at answering this question here, where we have Grace has done an English and a maths test and she has her grades, and we want to know which test Grace did better in. Now this is an exercise in working out percentages, because we have Grace for English has a score of 45 out of 80, and then for maths we have a score of 32 out of 50. Now, on face value, it looks like she got better for English because she's got a bigger number for English than maths. She got 45 compared to 32. But they were out of different values. The out of can make quite a difference. So it's easier if we convert them both to percentages. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do her English and her maths and convert them both to percentages, and then we could compare the percentage. Whichever percentage is higher will show us our result. So to convert this 45 out of 80 into a percentage, we do what out of means. Out of means divide in mathematics. So we do 45 divided by 80, and that will give us a fraction or decimal. And then to convert any fraction or decimal to a percentage, we multiply by 100. So this is going to give me my fraction, which represents that grade, turn it into a percentage by multiplying by 100. So if we do this, put it into our calculator, we get 56.25%. Doing the same for maths, we have 32 out of 50. Again, out of means divide. So 32 divide 50, and then convert to percentage by times by 100. Put that into a calculator, and we have for maths that Grace got 64%. So now it is easier to see which one she did better in. So our answer is that Grace did better in maths. But we've also got to think, were these two tests comparable? So another thing we have to do is perhaps state any assumptions that we have made. So if we're going to say that Grace did better in maths, we've probably got to state that we're assuming that the two tests were of the same difficulty. Because if the maths one was easier than the English one, of course she was going to do better in it. So we actually have to think about things like assuming the two tests are of equal difficulty. So, if we want to turn an out of into a percentage, we just remember that out of means divide, and of course times by 100 to get a percentage. And percentages are a great way to compare things if we do an assumption that they are equal in some way.